Okay. Hello and good day, everyone. My name is Qazi Fazliazi. I'm an assistant professor at the Media Science Department at Zabist. And today's webinar is by the Media Science Department. Our guest today is Ms. Rida who is currently working as a digital media consultant at the United Nations Development Program. She also runs a digital magazine, The Cosmos Social, which amplifies female voices and celebrates womanhood. Her startup enabled her to deepen her knowledge of politics and culture in Pakistan. Academically, she is a postgraduate alumni of the Master in Advertising at Zabis, and her undergrad degree is from the Media Science Department in Zabis. And welcome today, Rita. And my first question to you is, what was the reason you chose to do a master's in advertising?
Okay, first of all, thank you so much for having me over. I'm really humbled that you invited me here. I chose to do my master's in advertising because I did my undergraduate from Zavist only. I did my undergrad in media sciences. I was a film student, and right after I graduated, I got plenty of opportunities to work as a social media marketer for different small brands. तो वहाँ पर एक चीज़ के साथ जो मैं स्ट्रगल कर रही थी, like I was good with the creative part, I was good with campaigns, influencer campaign. I knew how to talk to people, but there was something that I was struggling with was कि मुझे I didn't know how to make strategies or how to build on strategies. Like you have your insight, and then how you build your entire big idea, your entire campaign on it. So there was something I felt like I lacked, and I thought, okay, I need to work on this if I want to further excel in my career. Because मैं online कितना ही पढ़ सकती थी. I needed someone to guide me through the process, someone who knows the process better. And Zabbis was my choice because I was already familiar with the faculty over there. I had spent a huge chunk of my life over there. I was there for 4 years. I was familiar with teachers and how the entire process goes. Plus, when I compared it to the other programs, I realized that Debist has better courses to complete your degree in a year and a half. And I also felt like it was more convenient for me because Debist का जो process है for its students who are already alumni of Debist, it's a bit easier for them. Like you don't have to go through the entire tedious process to sign up, to fill forms, and to do a lot of paperwork basically. So Debis was my priority. Plus, I compared it to the other programs that are being offered by different universities. There's CBM plus program, it's for 2 years. And plus the courses they were offering, I didn't feel like I wanted to learn those. I liked the courses that were being offered by Zabis, and hence I joined Zabis. And yeah, that's that.
Right. And how do you think it helped you and how does it help you in your current career?
Okay, I feel like Zappis plays a major chunk when I talk about my career advancement. Had I not completed my master's in advertising from Zappis, I don't think so that I would have been able to land my job at UNDP Pakistan because the requirement and especially if you want to advance in your career, other organizations and especially organizations who have been there in the market since years, since decades. So they require you to have a master's degree. So अगर मेरे पास had I not completed my master's, I don't think so they would have hired me for the position. And plus, my current position requires me to build on strategies, to look at the market differently because we're advocating. It's different. जैसे हम Zavis can talk about brands and how you're working for agencies यहाँ पर you have to advocate for the brand and you have to tell people like this is the work we're doing. A lot of people are unaware about what's going on in the development sector. So yeah, so my entire job revolves around creating strategies and communicating with people.
Right. Can you describe an average day at work?
Okay, good question. My average day at work looks like I wake up, I have my tea, because I have a lot of going on. I'm working for UNDP, and then Thin Government Education, and then plus I have my own business as well. Like you introduced me earlier, I'm working on my digital magazine as well. So my days are usually jam packed. Like मुझे वो बड़ी मुश्किल से भी 15 से 20 मिनट भी मिल जाते तो मैं उसमें खुश हो जाती हूँ तो what I do is I usually make a task list of what I'm supposed to do in the day so that I know what my priorities are and what's the best part about my days are like मेरा जो हर दिन होता है it's different from the day before. So if I'm doing something today, I will be doing something completely different tomorrow. If let's suppose today I'm out on the fields, I'm shooting, working on a project somewhere in Sindh. So अगले दिन I'll be working on some documents related to that project or giving concept note or giving briefs to people. So my days are usually different. Like मैं ये नहीं कह सकती कि मैं 12 बजे ये कर रही होती हूँ, 2 बजे मैं ये कर रही हूँ. And I feel like that's the best part about my job that each day is different and there's no monotony if I talk about my days. So yeah, that keeps things very interesting.
Okay, in your opinion, how important is it for organizations to hire professionals with training in advertising?
I think it's extremely important because I have been there. I hadn't done my when I hadn't completed my advertising. मैं ये चीज देखती थी कि there's so much noise when you look at social media. There's so much noise out there. और सब अपने अपने ads वगैरह post कर रहे होते हैं. People are talking about different things. But what I feel like जो उनके अंदर चीज एक lack करती है वो ये होती है कि they don't have a strategy in place. If you're a brand, I feel like this is something that's essential for you. If you want to grow, you should know where you want to be in future. आप ये नहीं कर सकते कि आप रैंडम आज लेट्स सपोज जैसे मदर्स डे आपने मदर्स डे की पोस्ट लगा दी और जो है आपने यू टॉकिंग अबाउट मदर्स डे देन नेक्स्ट डे यू पोस्टिंग अबाउट समथिंग एल्स. You need to have a strategy in place. You need to know why you're on social media and how you're going to use that strategy to achieve your objectives and goals for the campaign. तो ये एक चीज है कि जो एडवर्टाइजर्स को सिखाई जाती है वेबिस के अंदर और ये एक चीज है जो लैक करती है फ्रॉम पीपल हु हैव नो एक्सपीरियंस ऑफ एडवर्टाइजिंग एंड पीपल हु हैवंट स्टडीड दिस डिफरेंशिएट्स फ्रॉम पीपल जिनको सिर्फ कंटेंट अपलोड करना है. आई गेट दैट there's so much competition, but it's extremely important for companies to realize that if they want to grow, if they want to make their mark in the market, if they want to complete their objectives, they need to have a strategy. आप 1 साल काम कर लोगे, आप 1.5 साल काम कर लोगे, but there will come a time when you're going to collapse. Because without a strategy, I don't think so brands can go really far. Or even if you're talking about an organization, आप random काम करके आप आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते. You need to know where you want to land in future. You need to have a clear strategy of what you want.
What does public relations or communication mean to you?
Public relations and communication. Okay, good question. So we were working on a campaign. It's related to my magazine. So हमने जो है basically हमने market के अंदर cards launch करने थे. They're called it's a deck of playing cards. तो हमने जो initially हमारा idea यही था that we're going to talk about feminism and how it's important to empower women in the society, and our entire idea revolved around how there are other women in the society made their mark and people know them. They're on positions, either they're writers, they're poets, they're sports person, but different from different sectors, different women from different sectors of life. हमने बड़ा एक inclusive सा deck बनाया था. But हमें जो initially problem आ रही थी while we were bringing people on board, while we were talking to influencers, ये है कि पाकिस्तान में when you talk about feminism तो बड़ा एक ना negative connotation attached, especially when you talk about the entire Aurat March, because and especially how the media portrays it. So a lot of people initially they didn't want to associate with us because they were like कि हमारी आगे हमारे बारे में लोग बात करेंगे. We're promoting the idea of feminism, and that's when we realized that we need to change the way we're communicating. हम अगर deck of cards के आगे portray कर रहे हैं तो we need to show them it in a positive light. So हमने अपने cards का नाम change करके we named it औरत card. जब हमने औरत कार्ड नेम उसका नाम बदला तो people started understanding what we're trying to do. They understood trying to reframe the word औरत card and how we're trying to um, promote the idea of women empowerment in Pakistan just through a deck of cards. Of course, if at the end of the day they're playing cards, but there is an important message behind it. So I feel like जब आप एक brand होते हो, तो you need to know how the kind of people you're associating yourself with, because आपके जो core values or beliefs होते हैं, I feel like as a brand they should be aligned with people you're associating yourself with. Be it an influencer or be it a celebrity, because आप ऐसे बंदे को ऐसे इन्फ्लुएंसर के साथ खुद को आप अटैच नहीं कर सकते जो कि आपके वैल्यूज और आपके beliefs के साथ अलाइन नहीं है, बिकॉज आई फील लाइक दैट्स बीन डिसऑनेस्ट टू योर ओन वर्क. तो मेरी नज़र में इट्स एक्सट्रीमली इम्पॉर्टेंट, और ये भी इम्पॉर्टेंट होता है कि आप कम्युनिकेट किस तरह से कर रहे हो, आप अपना मैसेज किस तरह से कम्युनिकेट कर रहे हो. You want to change, you want to steer a conversation around something, you need to know how you're going to communicate your message to your target audience.
So I noticed that the cards had some illustrations on them. Did you
Yeah.
illustrate them, or did somebody else illustrate them?
So we have a team of young women जो हम जिसने हमारे cards पे illustration बनाई थी. She is a 16-year-old independent artist. We conducted interviews. We interviewed a lot of young girls. और उसके अंदर she especially stood out because she wanted to, even though she was 16, we found her extremely passionate, and she was 16, she was like, I want to do something, I want to create my mark on the world. And we decided that we were taking a chance on her, but we realized that if she's passionate about something, she should be given a chance, and she didn't disappoint us at all. We've received so much appreciation over the cards that we've been honestly overwhelmed.
Can you describe a communication strategy that you have used for an organization?
Communication strategy for an organization. Okay, recently I'm working on a project. It's called YEEP. तो उसके अंदर हम जो है basically we're targeting youth of Sindh. तो वो यूथ है, जो हमने टारगेट ब्रैकेट रखा है वो 18 to 35 है, और ये वही लोग हैं जो कभी पहले स्कूल नहीं गए, कभी ग्रेड 1 नहीं पढ़ी, ना कोई स्किल सेट है. They have no way of you know getting a job or developing a skill set. There's so much poverty over there कि उनके पास ये भी मतलब नहीं होता कि वो जाके कोई स्किल सेट सीख लें. एंड प्लस हमें तो एक चीज़ फील होती है कि सेल्फ डाउट नो एजुकेशन. तो उन्हें होता है कि अगर हम ग्रेड 1 भी पढ़ रहे थे, would we be able to do it? Are people going to support us? And if about the rural areas of state, वहाँ पर एक सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम होता है कि आपके सराउंडिंग के अंदर लोग होते हैं, especially people that are closest to you, your relatives, your neighbors. वो आपको they don't let you grow. आपको कहते हैं कि आप नहीं कर सकते, आप जो है तुम्हारे बच्चों का क्या होगा अगर तुम बाहर जाके पढ़ रही हो. भले वो बेसिक से एजुकेशन ले रही हो, स्किल सेट ले रही हो. तो हमारे लिए एक सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज यही था that we had to target those people. We had to reach out to those people so that they sign up for our program. तो हमारे प्रोग्राम के अंदर हम उनको एजुकेशन प्रोवाइड करते हैं और साथ साथ उनको एक स्किल सेट के साथ एम्पावर करते हैं. तो हमारी जो हमने कम्युनिकेशन स्ट्रेटेजी अपनी इसी तरह से डेवलप की थी, बिकॉज पहली बात तो ये दैट वी वांटेड टू एडवोकेट अबाउट अ प्रोग्राम, एंड सेकेंडली वी वांटेड कि हमारे प्रोग्राम के अंदर ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लोग साइन अप करें. तो उनको हमने ऑन बोर्ड लाने के लिए, जस्ट टू गेट देम इंटरेस्टेड, हमने उन्हीं के अंदर से स्टोरीज निकाली. बिकॉज उनको अगर हम पोस्ट दिखाएंगे, पोस्टर्स दिखाएंगे, दे विल नॉट मेक एनी डिफरेंस. उनको नजर आता है, दे गेट and they see people like them who make their mark, who got education, and then they developed a skill set, and now they're able to earn through it. इस तरह से हमने पूरी अपनी स्ट्रेटेजी बनाई कि किस तरह से हम जाके ये कंटेंट दिखाएंगे, and it worked really well because people started to sign up for the program. So it worked really well in our favor because पहले हमें यही स्ट्रगल हो रही थी कि our program is really nice. बट मसला ये आ रहा था कि अब हम उन्हें साइन अप किस तरह से कराएं, बिकॉज देयर इज सो मच हेजिटेंसी, सो मच सेल्फ डाउट व्हेन यू टॉक अबाउट दोस पीपल, बिकॉज दे हैव नो प्रायर एजुकेशन. और जब आपके पास एजुकेशन नहीं होती है, देयर आर सो मेनी फैक्टर्स दैट आर स्टॉपिंग यू. तो एक वो बड़ा हर्डल हो जाता है, और वो हमारे लिए भी चैलेंज था कि हम उसको कहाँ से टैकल करते. तो या दैट्स वन रिसेंट स्ट्रेटजी, कम्युनिकेशन स्ट्रेटजी दैट आई वर्क.
How much change do you think can happen in society through a successful advertising campaign?
Hmm. If I talk about, I can actually think of two successful campaigns right now. One is a local campaign, and another one is from India. India में I remember seeing this campaign. The company was the Men Company. आपके beard oils वगैरह बना रही होती है and grooming products हैं उनके पास basically. तो आयुष्मान खुराना की एक campaign आई थी. It was called the Perfect Gentleman. So that was one campaign that stirred a lot of conversation because उससे पहले इंडिया हमारी तरह से patriarchal society वहाँ पर भी it's not okay to talk about your emotions to be able to openly communicate about the way you're feeling and especially after a tragedy or a breakup उसके अंदर उसने उन्हीं मसलों के बारे में बात की and it was the first time that a major brand was talking about and emotions. Because usually हमारे यहाँ एक concept है that if a man is opening up or if he's opening up a little bit or sharing his feelings, they would label him as effeminate, as being feminine in nature. तो वो एक conversation थी जहाँ से लोगों को समझ में आया because it was Ayushmann Khurrana who was talking about it. He already has a huge following, and when Ayushmann Khurrana he can openly talk about emotions, so people realize then उनके लिए भी okay है. Especially it created an impact in India and it started an important conversation around the way men feel and how it's okay to open up for them. So this is a campaign I feel like जो जिसने at least conversation start की हम change नहीं लेकर आ सकते foreign पे around this topic because it's a patriarchal society और बहुत अरसे से मतलब इसी तरह से चीजें चल रही हैं बट आप चेंज लाने के लिए you need to initiate a conversation somewhere. So that's one campaign I can think of. Recent May, I remember seeing this campaign by Standard Chartered for their Women in Tech program. तो उसके अंदर उन्होंने बेसिकली बड़ी एक छोटी सी इंसाइट थी सेल्फ डाउट के ऊपर कि आपके अंदर सेल्फ डाउट होता है तो वो एक फैक्टर होता है आपको आगे बढ़ने से रोकता है और स्पेशली इफ यू टॉक अबाउट यहाँ पर बहुत सारे फैक्टर्स होते हैं कभी आप नहीं है कभी फैमिली सपोर्टिव नहीं है कभी यू डोंट नो व्हाट यू वांट आउट ऑफ योर बिजनेस आइडिया कभी आपके पास फंड प्रॉब्लम है तो इस सब की वजह से आपके साथ ये होता है दैट यू डोंट एंड अप signing for the program and this was something जो कि Standard Chartered की campaign का aim that they wanted more and more women to sign up for the program. प्रोग्राम तो था लेकिन लोग साइन अप नहीं कर रहे थे जिस प्रॉब्लम के बारे में मैंने पहले भी बात की तो उस चीज को टैकल करने के लिए सेल्फ डाउट टैकल करने के लिए they built a campaign around it. There was a main character. She's from Zebest as well. I'm not sure if you've heard her name. Her name is Natalia Abbas. She's an actress. She's a wonderful actress. So she was there in the campaign. एंड कैंपेन के अंदर उसने उन्होंने इतने ब्यूटीफुली उसको पोर्ट्रे किया कि जो आपकी अंदर की सेल्फ डाउट की आवाज है उसी के सामने बनकर आ जाती है और उसको आगे बढ़ने से रोकती है एंड देन दे टेक हर थ्रू एंटायर प्रोसेस एंड इवन फ्रॉम द प्रीवियस कोहोर्ट फिर टॉकिंग टू हर कि हमारे टॉकिंग टू हर अबाउट द फैक्ट कि हमारे अंदर भी यही इनसिक्योरिटीज थी हम भी इसी सेल्फ डाउट कर रहे थे बट still took a chance and we were then able to break the glass ceiling. So it was a wonderful campaign that was executed by Standard Chartered and I was reading up on more details because मुझे personally बहुत पसंद आई थी. तो इस बार उनको जितने amount of applications आई हैं they have never received so many applications ever. So Sidra Salman, I think she's the creative genius behind the entire campaign. And yeah, so that's one way I feel like कि आप सोसाइटी के अंदर चेंज लेकर आ सकते हैं बाय शोइंग पॉजिटिव थिंग्स आप चेंज फॉरेन से लेकर नहीं आ सकते एंड इट्स एब्सर्ड टू इवन थिंक कि आप एक फॉरेन से आपने कैंपेन निकाली एंड वो सोसाइटी आपने चेंज कर दी बट आप ये हो सकता है कि यू कैन क्रिएट अ कन्वर्सेशन अराउंड एन इम्पोर्टेंट टॉपिक which is a good way with starting off with things.
Okay, can you remember a class at university where you received insight into Pakistan media consumption patterns? What did you learn?
Okay, so जो हमारी मास्टर्स की क्लासेस होती थी उनमें यूजुअली यही होता था that we would focus a lot on the local industry and how other brands are doing their campaigns. We would study their campaigns एंड प्लस ये होता था कि मेरी क्लास के अंदर बिकॉज there was a lot of diversity. There were people who were working in organizations. There were people working for brands, who were working for agencies. तो सबके अपने अपने opinions होते थे, the way they would see things. So that would make things really interesting. I remember Rehan Haider का course था. He was teaching us media planning and buying. तो ये हमारा आई थिंक अभी लास्ट सेमेस्टर ही हमने रेहान हैदर से कोर्स किया था। तो उसके अंदर हम पहले तो सब थ्योरी थ्योरी पढ़ रहे थे। वी वर डूइंग रिसर्च, वी वर लर्निंग अबाउट द हिस्ट्री ऑफ एडवर्टाइजिंग, वी वर लर्निंग अबाउट ट्रेडिशनल मेथड्स ऑफ एडवर्टाइजिंग एंड हाउ यू क्रिएट आइडियाज। तो वो सारा जो है थ्योरी थ्योरी था, बट व्हेन वी वर टॉट अबाउट मीडिया प्लानिंग एंड बाइंग, तो हमें समझ में आया कि मतलब आपने जो है मतलब एक क्रिएटिव आइडिया ही नहीं बनाना है, आपने यू हैव टू लुक एट इट प्रैक्टिकल एस्पेक्ट्स एज वेल कि आपने कैंपेन के लिए बना दी कि आपने ये ले आए, आपने जो है डिजिटल ये कर लिया, रेडियो ये कर लिया, आपने बाहर बिलबोर्ड ये सब कर लिया, बट यू नीड टू नो कि आप वो बजट किस तरह से स्पेंड करोगे एंड देन यू नीड उसके जो नंबर है, स्पेशली इफ यू टॉक अबाउट up an ad on TV, the cost is really high. तो आप एक नॉर्मल से ब्रांड को आप ये आइडिया पिच नहीं कर सकते। तो एज अ ब्रांड और एज अ स्पेशली एज अ एडवर्टाइजिंग पर्सन, अगर आप मीडिया प्लानिंग नहीं भी करें ठीक है, बट यू आर मैनेजिंग समवन, तो दिस इज समथिंग जिसके बारे में आपको नॉलेज होनी चाहिए। एंड इट्स अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग कोर्स दैट वी वर टॉट एट डेविस। हमें राइट कॉल मिली थी स्पेशली अबाउट द नंबर्स। हमें रियल नंबर्स के साथ हमने अपने अपने प्लान्स बनाए थे एंड वी एलोकेटेड बजट that we're going to spend this amount on radio, we're going to spend this amount on TV, and यही सेम चीज फिर हमने अपनी थीसिस के अंदर भी की थी। हमने we worked on our thesis and then the way we allocated our budgets. तो हमारी क्लास के अंदर we would talk about a lot about local campaigns. हम लोकल कैंपेन्स को भी डिस्कस करते थे, लोकल इंसाइट्स होती थी, एंड वी वुड आल्सो टॉक अबाउट इंटरनेशनल कैंपेन कि वहाँ पे उन्होंने किस तरह से एक छोटी सी इंसाइट। हम इंडिया की कैंपेन हमने बहुत देखी है। I feel like India produces really good content when it comes to advertisements. I mean, it's really nice work by them.
So you've done your bachelor's in media science and then you did a master's in advertising. Uh, what difference did the master's degree made to, I guess, better understand media and society in Pakistan?
Okay. When I was doing my undergrad program at Zabis, so मीडिया साइंसेस के अंदर आपका ये होता है कि आपके पास डिफरेंट डिफरेंट कोर्सेज होते हैं। आपने you're you're learning about so many things. Sometimes you're learning about how to write a play. Sometimes you're learning about the history of Pakistan. Sometimes आप थिएटर पढ़ रहे हो, उसके अंदर you're learning about film, you're learning about design, you're learning about how to produce, how to write. आप जर्नलिज्म के बारे में पढ़ रहे हो, तो there is a lot of knowledge. बट सिंस आई वाज अ फिल्म मेजर, तो मुझे स्ट्रेटेजी वगैरह बिल्कुल बनाने नहीं आती। मुझे फिल्म शूट कर सकती हूँ, आई कैन बी क्रिएटिव, बट स्ट्रेटेजी वाज समथिंग दैट आई कुडंट डू। एंड जो मेरी रिक्वायरमेंट थी, जो मेरा फील्ड ऑफ वर्क था, उसके अंदर इट वाज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि मुझे स्ट्रेटेजी आती। When I completed my master's, मुझे मतलब I'm so confident, but I feel like I can work on any strategy now after like because हमने इतना काम किया, हमने इतनी strategies बनाई हैं, and especially the entire thesis process because you've been scrutinized और एक एक चीज के ऊपर आप you have to justify why are you doing something the way you are. तो वो एक process होता है, it makes you a master. So I now like I can work on any strategy and tackle any communication of problem a brand is facing.
Right. So in the bachelor's program in media science, they offer three majors, right? So they have journalism, they have advertising strategy and design, and the third one is production, right? So
Yeah.
which major did you choose?
I chose production as my major because I was interested in films. I wanted to build a career around that. But after I was young. I wanted to go for films. But after I graduated, I found that I was more inclined towards the development sector and how I can bring improvement into the development sector through advocacy. So I switched. I realized कि अगर मुझे change लाना है, if I want to advocate for something, I need to know कि उसके basics कि आपने किस तरह से you need to talk to people, how I need to understand my target audience, and then build an entire strategy around it.
Can you talk a bit about the elective courses, some of the elective courses you took in your undergrad degree?
Um, we had screenwriting. It's been a long time. We had screenwriting. Then we were taught how to music के courses थे कि आपने music किस तरह से add करना है. And then we used to watch old films, German films हो गई. Iranian cinema. मैंने Iranian cinema I discovered through my undergrad program. मैं मतलब ऐसे कभी भी discover नहीं कर पाती, but um, Sir Babar Shekhte, who is also a very well-known um, commercial director for advertisements, तो वो हमें पढ़ाते थे. हम जो फिल्म्स को स्टडीज करते थे, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग कोर्स होता था. हम फिल्म्स को स्टडी करते थे. मतलब ऐसा कोर्स आई थिंक आपको कहीं नहीं मिल सकता कि आप लिटरली मूवी देख रहे हैं और आप बैठ के फाइनलाइज कर रहे हैं कि अगर एक कैरेक्टर इस तरह से कर रहा है तो व्हाट आर हिज मोटिवेशन बिहाइंड इट. एंड देन आप म्यूजिक पढ़ रहे हैं, लाइक यू आर स्टडिंग म्यूजिक फ्रॉम डिफरेंट पार्ट्स ऑफ द वर्ल्ड. व्हाट कुड बी मोर इंटरेस्टिंग देन दैट. आप सीख रहे हो कि मतलब आप इंडिपेंडेंट म्यूजिक के बारे में सीख रहे हो. यू आर लर्निंग अबाउट different cultures. There's so much to learn if you talk about the undergrad program. I think if I may retrospective देखती हूँ, तो I feel like I made a good decision by coming to Zabist.
Okay, how easy do you think it was for you to do a master's degree from the same department where you did your undergrad from?
Initially I wasn't aware the like कि मेरे लिए इतना आसान होगा, but I had to do nothing. I remember I had to fill a form. I had to write my name and I had to write my CGPA from my undergrad program, and that's it. मैं एडमिन वालों से पूछ रही थी मतलब कि हो गया, इतनी जल्दी हो गया मेरा प्रोसेस. तो उन्होंने कहा जी मैम मतलब वो ज़ेबिस वालों के लिए बड़ा आसान है. तो मैंने कहा मतलब ठीक है, मतलब मुझे और क्या चाहिए मेरे लिए. Like I did my undergrad program, I have to fill a form, and I've joined my master's program. So the process was extremely easy. Or especially if you're a Zebra student, I would recommend you to do your master's from Zebra. But even if you're not from Zebra, I would recommend you to your master's from Zebra, especially advertising. I feel like it has been मुझे मतलब इसने especially मुझे personally बहुत ज़्यादा help की है to advance my career.
What is the most challenging project that you worked on, and what did you learn from it?
The most challenging project. Yeah, I remember last year when the pandemic started. So I was working for Kareem Qatar, and उस टाइम पे ये हुआ था कि लोगों को इतनी confusion थी कि कोविड क्या है, ये कब खत्म होगा. There was so much anxiety around it. कि हर कोई सबके different narratives थे, and especially the media was fueling it. People are dying, लोगों को पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है. There was so much confusion. So मुझे जो है I was supposed to work on a campaign for Kareem Qatar, and I was leading it. So there was so much responsibility on me to get them people who would use their service during the pandemic. So it was extremely challenging for me in the sense कि pandemic चल रहा है, अब आपने लोगों को convince करना है कि उन्होंने आपकी ride hailing service इस्तेमाल करनी है. तो हमने उसके अराउंड फिर पूरी कैंपेन बिल्ड की कि किस तरह से आप जो है वी प्रोवाइडिंग देम विद सैनिटाइजर्स, वी यूजिंग द फेस मास्क. अभी तो आई फील लाइक एवरीबॉडी इज डूइंग दिस. वो सब बता रहे होते हैं कि वी आर वेरी सेफ, वो सब चीजें कम्युनिकेट कर रहे होते हैं. बट बैक व्हेन द पैंडेमिक स्टार्टेड, उस टाइम पर इस तरह की कैंपेन्स नहीं थी, बिकॉज उस टाइम पर मैं जो नोटिस कर रही थी, मार्केट के ट्रेंड्स को स्टडी कर रही थी, मार्केट रुक गई थी. इतने आप एड्स प्रोड्यूस नहीं कर रहे थे, स्पेशली इफ यू लुक एट डेटॉल वगैरह, उनकी तरफ से कैंपेन्स आ रही थी, बट अदरवाइज द वर्ल्ड हैड स्टॉप्ड बैक देन. तो मेरे लिए एक बहुत बड़ी स्ट्रगल थी, बिकॉज आप पेंडेमिक के अंदर स्पेशली आप एक गाड़ी के अंदर अगर किसी के साथ बैठे हुए हो तो देयर इज नॉट मच डिस्टेंस आपको आपको कोविड-19 द वायरस इट्स इजीली स्प्रेडेबल इफ यू टॉक अबाउट इट so वो एक स्ट्रगल थी बट अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह आई एम रियली हैप्पी दैट वी वर एबल टू सक्सेसफुली वर्क ऑन द कैंपेन एंड ये हुआ था कि उसके बाद फिर जो कार हेलिंग सर्विस थी उसके ऊपर थोड़े टाइम बाद फिर और स्ट्रिक्ट restrictions आ गए थे but we were able to get them people to who would want to use their service so yeah it was really challenging for me yeah
Okay, my next question is, would you recommend doing a bachelor's in media science before doing a master's in advertising, or do you feel pretty much anyone can join the advertising degree, or do you think it helped you in some way?
Okay, it depends on what you want to achieve through your advertising degree. मुझे तो मतलब I have always been a creative person, तो मुझे तो need feel होती थी. I felt like if I want to grow in my career, I need to have a master's degree, and especially in advertising because आप जब advertising कर लेते हो, तो आप फिर मतलब जो है ना you can literally sell anything in the world because आप you can sell anything, you can advocate for anything because वो एक 1.5 साल का जो प्रोसेस होता है उसमें देयर इज सो मच लर्निंग इवन तो बहुत छोटा टाइम है इफ यू लुक एट इट इट्स जस्ट अ ईयर एंड अ हाफ एंड यू डन बट उस टाइम पर जो आपकी लर्निंग होती है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है तो मेरे लिए आई वुड रिकमेंड दैट इफ यू आर स्टिल लाइक आपने अभी लेवल्स कंप्लीट किया है और यू जस्ट कंप्लीटेड योर इंटरमीडिएट so you should definitely join their media sciences program because you will get to learn so much about different courses. आप research के बारे में पढ़ रहे होगे. You learn about film, you learn about design, you learn about journalism. तो sea of knowledge तो बहुत ज़्यादा है. बट अगर आपने फॉर इंस्टेंस एमएससी मीडिया साइंसेस नहीं भी किया हुआ तो मतलब मेरे पास अच्छे लोग आते हैं asking about it advertising so I always recommend it because मुझे जब इसने इतना हेल्प किया है and I also speak to my batchmates as well. So a lot of them who did not have jobs prior to completing their degree at Zappis, now they've gotten really nice jobs in the market, especially pandemic के बाद तो बहुत और ज़्यादा मुश्किल हो गया था for people to secure jobs. But after they completed their masters, they've been able to get jobs. I feel like अगर आपका motive है, if you want advance your career, you should definitely join Zappis and become a part of their advertising program.
Okay, so another question I had to ask was, uh, do you feel that this industry is growing as a consequence of whatever is happening in the world? As in, people are watching more media, people are watching more television, they're browsing the internet more, they're on their phones. Do you think after last year, it's actually advertising has grown? Uh, your opinion?
I feel like the number has grown rapidly and it's going to keep on growing. So if you're looking for a career right now, if you're not sure about what you want to do, I feel like this is the right career to jump in right now because pandemic के बाद after the world slows down, आपकी BTL activities नहीं हो रही, आपकी ATL activities नहीं हो रही, it's everything is digital. तो जो सारे आपकी brands हैं, they're instead of spending money on other activities, they're spending all their budget on digital activities. तो उसके अंदर एक बहुत बूम आया है प्लस मैंने एक और चीज जो शिफ्ट देखा है वो ये है कि बहुत सारे स्टार्टअप्स आए ठीक है और दो स्टार्टअप्स दे हैव स्टार्टेड टू रिक्रूट पीपल फॉर टू मैनेज देयर डिजिटल मीडिया आजकल आप यू कैन नॉट मैनेज इफ यू डोंट हैव अ social media person or if you don't have a digital person on board you cannot survive as a brand you need to have someone who can look after your social media who knows how to make strategies so I feel like this is going to keep on growing because the pandemic is here to stay for now. If you are to be realistic, the pandemic is here to stay, and the world has shifted obviously. तो उस shift के बाद आपने जो है मुझे लगता है कि मतलब और जॉब इसी फील्ड के अंदर आएंगी and it's the right time to choose this field as your career. You still haven't decided what you want to do. This is the right field because आप सिर्फ एक चीज नहीं कर रहे होते. There are so many other that you're involved in, especially if you're a digital person or a social media person. You're looking at designs, you're looking at communication, you're collaborating. people. So it's not just the strategy part. There's a whole lot to it. If you're in the development sector, so you're going out on the field, you're talking to people, you're learning more about them. So yeah, I feel like it's a very interesting career for anyone who wants to join it.
Do you think our Pakistani brands have responded well, because of the pandemic, as in going more digital now online?
Yeah. Hmm, सारे ब्रांड्स के बारे में तो मैं ऑब्वियसली ये बात नहीं कर सकती, but obviously the brands who adapted during the pandemic, they did a decent job out of it, especially if you talk about Dettol, उन्होंने hand soap के बारे में बात की थी, and how they were encouraging people, how they brought celebrities on board. Faiza Khan को ले आए थे, and she was teaching them how to wash your hand. वो एक चीज़ थी जो आई फील लाइक कि उन्होंने बड़ा क्विकली अडैप्ट किया था आफ्टर द पैंडेमिक, बिकॉज़ उस टाइम पे सारी चीज़ें रुक गई थी, सब ब्रांड जो है बिल्कुल चुप हो गए थे, नोबडी वाज़ सेइंग एनीथिंग। इट वाज़ सो वियर्ड बिकॉज़ देयर इज़ सो मच नॉइज़ ऑन सोशल मीडिया एंड एवरीथिंग वाज़ जो सब सारी कन्वर्सेशन जो अराउंड यू होती थी। तो उस टाइम पर आई फील लाइक कि उन्होंने इस तरह से स्टार्ट किया, उन्होंने बात की, लोगों को सिखाया, explained how you can cycle COVID, hand wash. Obviously, it's not one of the ways, but they are a brand. They had to sell their product. So yeah, I think कुछ brands ने decent तरीके से adapt किया, कुछ brands ने कोई बात ही नहीं की उस बारे में, as if the problem did not exist. आपने ऐसा भी नहीं करना है. You need to talk about the program because you need to talk about what's going on, because as a friend, I feel like it's important to jump on trends and share. आपको you need to realize कि आप किस तरह से उस ट्रेंड को अपने कैंपेन का पार्ट बनाकर you can talk about it.
Are you familiar with the Dettol hand washing campaign?
Yeah,
So I think they started it on TikTok last year, and up till
yeah.
now, I believe they've achieved over 8 billion views, which is just unprecedented compared to any other form of digital media platform in the world. And this is including Pakistan. There are millions of views from even people, influencers locally from
Mm-hmm.
Pakistan, and even viewers from Pakistan. So, how important do you think TikTok is to the digital media mix in Pakistan?
TikTok. अच्छा मैं मतलब I used to be a huge fan of TikTok, but now that I'm working for brands, तो एक सबसे insecurity when it comes to TikTok is a huge platform you have. आपके पास वो बिल्कुल untapped audience है जो आप तक पहुंच ही नहीं सकते अगर आप TikTok के बारे में बात करते हैं ना. पर एक TikTok के साथ एक fear attach हो गया because the app is not getting banned. So even if you include it, even if you make it a part of your campaign, you never know when the app is going to get banned or आपकी जो आपने campaign बनाई है, it's going to get wasted. So right now जो मैंने shift notice किया है, lot of people are moving towards snack video. So it's a competitor of TikTok, but अभी उनका content थोड़ा different है, but they're targeting the same audience. तो ये एक चीज़ है जो मैंने सिर्फ नोटिस किया. Previously people were talking about TikTok, but they're now the trend is shifting and they're moving towards tech. तो कोई सेम पूरी तरह से प्लेटफॉर्म है, इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हैं, they have categories, there's entertainment, especially they talk about religion as well. So I feel like it's an important platform that you should include in your campaign अगर आपकी उसी तरह की target audience है. और अगर नहीं भी है तो I feel like if you are advocating for a certain organization, it's an interesting platform to be on if you want to amplify your message.
Right. Do you think, do you see any specific trend right now in the Pakistan advertising industry, at least in 2021?
Particular trend related to what?
Any kind of trend, any growth, perhaps a different kind of messaging, perhaps because of COVID?
Um, mm, mm, mm. I don't think so. Like I don't think so कि इस तरह से ऐसे कोई trend वगैरह change हुआ. ये हुआ है कि I've seen a certain growth in influencer culture. लास्ट ईयर जैसे वी हैड मतलब बहुत हमारे पास इन्फ्लुएंसर्स कम थे, बट आफ्टर द पेंडेमिक द इन्फ्लुएंसर culture has grown rapidly. Now everybody wants to be an influencer, and I feel like आपके पास इतने सारे avenues हैं, there are so many brands depending on influencers. सेलिब्रिटीज से ये एक कल्चरल नहीं, ये एक शिफ्ट है जो मैंने नोटिस किया कि people have brands, especially instead of including celebrities in their campaigns, they now go for influencers because लोगों का ये होता है कि they trust influencers more than celebrities. Celebrities को होता है कि इनको पैसे मिले होंगे तो ये आगे प्रोडक्ट इंडोर्स कर रहे हैं, बट influencers के साथ they have that relationship. They know if they're selling product, so they can trust them over it. So this is something that brands have jumped on, and they've realized that people trust influencers, then they trust celebrities. So this is a shift that I've seen in the market recently, and in a span of a year. If I'm being realistic.
Okay, so we're just about to end the seminar. So one last question is, uh, if somebody wants to become, let's say, an influencer on the media, is there any advice for them?
If somebody wants to an influencer, it depends on the kind of influencer they want to become. There are fashion influencers, there are influencers who talk about education, there are influencers, there are bloggers, there are food bloggers. So it depends on what you want to do. Like आपने short videos बनानी है, तो Connect is the right platform for it. आपकी ग्रोथ जल्दी हो जाती है. I would suggest कि even if you're a food blogger, or even if you're a vlogger, if you're just starting out your career, I would suggest you to start off with platforms like TikTok or Snack Video, because वहाँ पर आपकी growth जल्दी हो जाती है. आपके पास numbers जल्दी आ जाते हैं because like untapped market है. And if you have something that's people would definitely want to see. वहाँ पर ये होता है कि जरा से भी आपके अंदर uniqueness होगी, people are going to follow you. So I feel like फिर उधर से आप you can grow your audience, you can get into platforms like Instagram, you can go towards YouTube. आजकल तो LinkedIn पर भी मतलब influencers आ गए हैं, तो वो अपने ब्रांड्स को बारे में बात कर रहे होते हैं. ट्विटर के ऊपर इन्फ्लुएंसर्स हैं. इट डिपेंड्स ऑन हाउ यू वांट टू टेक इट, बट इफ यू जस्ट स्टार्टिंग आउट, if you have something unique to show to the world, I feel like Snack Video or TikTok is the first platform that you should go on, because it's going to give you that confidence that you're looking for, and from there onwards you can build on that.
All right. Thank you very much for being our guest today. We just have a message that for our viewers that if you want to apply to the bachelor's, the BS in Media Science undergrad degree 4 year from Zavis Media Science Department, or the MS in Media Studies, the master's program, or the MOA Master of Advertising. At the Media Science Department, the deadline to apply is 10th of June, 2021. The website is admissions.zabis.edu.pk. So thank you very much for joining us today. I'd like to thank our guest, Ms. Rida Amjad,
Thank you for having me. Thank you so much.
alumni of our Zabis program. Very proud of her, what she's achieved, and we look forward to speaking with her in the future. Thank you very much.
Bye.